Good morning students, welcome to our math class. Today we are going to start with the unit 7. Can you see the pattern? Students, in this unit we will study about different patterns. We will study about the rotation of the objects which we have studied in our previous lessons. Okay students, now we will start the lesson. Let's read about what are being given here, the dialogues. Isha, your skirt is beautiful. My mother made this pattern. This pattern her mother has made. I have seen the same block making a different pattern on a kurta. How was it different? See, here is a different, this is a triangle shape. The top is here. Now it is inverted. It is like this. So here if you can see in the pattern, it is rotated, half rotation it has been made, 1/4 half rotation it has made in this pattern, so it look a different pattern. Now in your skirt the rule of the pattern is one up, one down, one up and one down. Then this is repeated, but in my brother's kurta it is once up, then take a 1/4 turn every time. The rule is to repeat it with a 1/4 clockwise turn. See student, straight, then 90 degree means 1/4 turn means 90 degree, again 90 degree clockwise, again 90 degree, and then it come here. So here it has done about 1/4 turn, and in this pattern it has made a different pattern, isn't it students? So when the turn was half turn, it has made this pattern. When it was 1/4 turn, you can see a different pattern, isn't it students? Now turn and patterns. Look at this block. We make 3 different rules to turn it clockwise and see the patterns. In rule 1, repeat it with 1/4 turn. See, here the pattern you can say there is a straight, this flower part is at the top. When it is turned 1/4, this comes here, isn't it? Again 1/4, it is here and it is here. So you can see that there is a 1/4 rotation. When it is a here 1/4 turn, this part comes here. Okay students, now repeat it with half turn. Here it is 1/4 turn, and when it is half turn it will get a different pattern. This is a straight, the flower is straight at the top. When it is moved at a half turn, it has become inverted. Again when it is make a half turn, you can see here half turn, it has again become straight. Again the half turn, it is inverted, and again the half turn, it has become straight. Understood students? So this is repeated by the half turn. Now the third rule here is repeat it with 3/4 turn. 3/4 turn means 3 times 90. Here it is straight. When it is 3/4 turn, here it will come. So this flower, the straight portion is here. Again when we make it 3/4 turn, 1, 2 and 3, this has become inverted, isn't it? Again 3/4 turn, 1, 2, 3. So this flower has come here. Again 3/4 turn, 1, 2 and 3. It has become like this. Again 3/4, 1, 2 and 3. So this has become here, isn't it students? So by the same block, the same image or picture, we can say when we turn it 1/4, we get a different pattern. When we turn it half, we get different pattern, and when we turn 3/4 turns, we will get a different pattern. Now practice time students. This you are supposed to do in the textbook only with a pencil in your hand. With a pencil, you are only supposed to use a pencil. And now let's check what is in the practice time. What should come next? Now just first of all students, we are supposed to identify the pattern, what turns they have used clockwise, isn't it? Right now it is here. this portion is here. This line we will identify the line. This line is here. In this image, this line is here. It is here and here. So it is, for example, we can make it 1/6 turn, isn't it? 1/6 turn. Then it has come here. Again 1/6, it is here. And again if it 1/6, it will be like this, students. See, I will draw a rough figure. You can also draw a rough figure, students. This portion will be yellow. This portion will be red. I am just writing down. You can, if you want, you can color. Okay, so 1/4 here. Then again, if we want, again one rotation. This will be yellow. This is red. The circle will be here, and this circle will be here. Understood, students? So here we have seen about the 1/6 pattern, isn't it? 1/6 turn. Now the N, by the block of N also, see, it is straight, then it has turned here. So which rotation? It is 1/4, isn't it? Then again it has turned, so like this, 1/4. Then now it will be like this, 1/4. Okay, and then again if it is, it will be like this, 1/4. Understood, students? So here the rotation is 1/4 turn. Again we can see here C1, 1, 2, 3, the triangle. So how many turns it have been shown? First it is here, top it is here, then it has come here. So it is the 1/3 turn, isn't it, students? 1/3 rotation, 1/3 turn. So we will write down the turn here first of all, 1/3. Then again, see, the triangle will be the same only, students, but only the design in the triangle is changing. It is here, then it will be here. The dots 1/3, then this will come here. So the dots will be here, 4, and this will be here. Now this dot 1/3, this portion will come here, 4, and this dot will be here. Understood, students? So here the turn is 1/3. Now the circle here, look at this pattern here. Here is the red color, here is again the maroon color, and after what turn it has come here? It is 1/4 turn, 90-degree turn. Okay, now the circle will be the same, only the pattern will be changed inside it. So it is here, then it will be here, isn't it? And here it will be in the bottom. Okay, students, so this is again it is 1/4 turn. Understood? Now here the F is there. Now what the question is asking to us is, now students, question number 2, see this pattern. Alphabet F is written here. It has turned little bit, then a little, and then a little. The rule of this pattern is turning by 45 degree. What is the turn, students? It is 45 degree each time. Which will be the next T, the right one? No, we are supposed to identify which will be the next one, and we are supposed to find it out. This is 45 straight, then 45 turn like this, again here. Okay, then it is like this. So now the next will be this, isn't it, students? After it is here 45 turns, this line will be straight. So that is this. isn't it? So this is your ticker. Now question number 3, students, it tells us about using the same rule it forward till you get back to what you started with. Now the same rule we are supposed to use, means we are supposed to turn by 45 degree each time. Some patterns are given below on the left side. This is the left side of the red line, this is red line, and the left side means this is the pattern for each. Now 45, this is straight, this is 45. Then the next pattern will be like this, students. This line is now 45, I will turn till here. Then here 45 is there, I will turn till here. Isn't it, students? So it will be like this. Then it will be the next one will be like this. Isn't it? So we are supposed to turn the pattern till we get the same, isn't it? Till we get what we have started. So this we have started from here, so we get this, isn't it, students? So after 45, if you turn 45, we will get this. Again 45, we get this. Then this. Then it will be like this. 45 and 45 and the straight one, isn't it, students? So here we got this image, so this we will not do. Now the next one is P pattern. The block P is given here. 45 degree turn, it is like this. Then like this. B, then okay, students, 45 degree, first 45 turn like this, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. After 8 turn, 7 turn we got like this turn. First it was this, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. After 8 turn we got the same pattern. Okay, students? Understood? These are all the things you are supposed to do in the textbook only. Now let's make further patterns. Pattern, write the rule, then choose what comes next from the right side of the line and take it. Okay, here we are supposed to also write down the rule, student, and which will be the next that we have supposed to tick from here. See, this is the pattern, this is green color, this is orange color, right and left hand side it is green color circle and right hand side it is the orange color circle. When it is turned little bit, the green circle is here, orange circle is here and this is portion is here. So that means it has turned little bit, means 45 degree it is been turned, isn't it? 45 degree. So we can write down the rule is to turn 45 degree clockwise. Okay, so next will be this here, the next will be this one, isn't it? This here, the 45 it will here, so this will be the next one. Now one shape is here, 4 triangles on the 4 side, in middle one square is this. Here is orange, black, yellow, red. Orange is here, now it is here and when it turns it comes here, it's orange, isn't it? Then it comes again here. So it is, for example, you can see it as 1/4 turn or 90 degree 40, it is 45, sorry I written 40, 45. So 90 degree turn means 1/4 rotation it has made, and if we call in rotation it will be 1/8 rotation, students, 1/8 turn. because 45 is the half of 90. So if we turn 1/4, the 90 degree is 1/4. So when we turn 4 times 1/4, we get a 1 complete rotation. So for 45 degree, when we turn 8 times, we got the same pattern in the previous question. So it is about 1/8 turn. Okay. So here now it is here till here. So it will be 90 degree. So it is the turn is 1/4 turn. So we can write to turn 90 degree clockwise, or we can also tell it as 1/4 turn. So then I am writing both the things, so you will not get confused. So now which will be here? Which will be the correct one? See, orange. Let's take any one. Orange we have taken. Okay. Then the orange came here. Next it came here. So in the next one it should be coming here. So now let's check what is here. This one, isn't it? Here it is the orange color is there. So this is the correct pattern. This pattern will come the next. Now here this type of pattern is there. Somewhat about as a brick shape is given. Block is there. If you turn it like this, here it is move. If it is turned here, so it is how much? I think so it is half rotation, isn't it, friends? Half rotation. So half. So you will turn it to turn. Half rotation is of 180 degree clockwise. 180 degree clockwise or half turn. So after every half turn it appears the same. So if this is the thing, the next should be like this. So now just observe which is there. This one is the correct one, isn't it? Same as it. So we'll take it this. Now this pattern. See friends, this is here. In the next pattern it has turned till here. So it is 3/4 turn, isn't it, friends? 3/4 turn it has made. How much turn? 3/4 turn it has made. It is about, students, 3/4 turn it has made. See, it is at the top. When it turn here, it comes again 3/4. It comes here. Again 3/4. Then it comes here. So here the rule is to turn. To turn, how much degree if we write? It will be 270 degree clockwise, and or we can turn as 3/4 turn. Okay, so which is the next? See, it is here. After 3/4 it will come here. So this will be the correct one, isn't it, students? Now the next question. Look for a pattern. Mark that picture which is breaking the rule. Also correct it. Which is the breaking the rule and also correct it. We are supposed to mark the picture. See, it is at the top. In the next, so you just stop. Rule is that okay, this should be. We'll see. It one is here, next is here. So it is the rule here. If we can find, identify the picture, the rule here is for about half turn, isn't it? Then only half turn, then only this circle will come at the bottom. So this is correct, this is also correct, this is also correct, this is also correct, this is also correct, and this breaks it, isn't it, friend? This one breaks it. So if I will circle it, if you want to correct it, then it should be inverted, isn't it? It should be like this, inverted, then it will be correct. Now just identifying this also. See, it is here, then turn. That means the rule is of 90 degree 1/4 rotation. Turn. Next here, next here, like this. Next should be here, but this is at the top. So this is wrong. If you want to correct, then this umbrella should be at the inverted. The bottom should be here. Understood, students? And this again correct. The pattern. See, here one full rotation it is same. Everyone is straight. The face bird, the face is the beak is at the point at top. This bird is at the correct. So after one whole rotation it has come. This is also same. This is not sorry. If we see the whole pattern, half turn it has been made. This is top. This is wrong. It should be half turn. It should be inverted. ऐसा होना चाहिए, isn't it? It should be inverted. This is the wrong pattern. If you want to correct, it should be inverted. Understood, students? Next, see. Here it is with blocks made. This is the front triangle, then a yellow triangle, then again a blue square, yellow triangle, blue square, yellow triangle. Now in this pattern, students, if you see, here it is a square, but here it is a circle. So this is the wrong one. So if we want to correct it, here it should be a square pattern. Understood, students? So today we will study about this thing, page number 103. We studied about the patterns. This whole exercise which we have studied till today, this all the things you are supposed to do in the textbook only, students. Okay, from here the first page of a chapter was 99. We started from here. All the patterns we have done. This all thing you are supposed to do with the pencil only in the textbook only, students. I hope you all have understood this. Understood, students?